Hello again, I'm Alicja Aratyn, and we meet on our channel dedicated to dowsing, discovering dowsing, knowing dowsing, learning about dowsing, and also self and spiritual development through dowsing. So today I want to talk to you about balancing chakras. There are more and less complex methods of balancing chakras, and those more complex I present at online course dedicated to healing with dowsing. But here I would like to introduce you to simple method, and in the simple method we will use the neutral pendulum, which come in 3 sizes, but I will use the smallest one, which on the string has all frequencies which we will need marked, preset for you. So you have white and white, which means that it shows you or allows you to work with whole spectrum of light. And then we have black, and black is used to recognize colors when we work with colors, but in healing it is not used, as black is connected in majority of belief systems with death. And then we have infrared, which we will not use in the simple method, but in more complex method, yes, we use also infrared. And then you have red and orange and yellow, which means solar plexus, green, which is heart, blue, which is throat chakra, indigo, which is third eye, violet, which is crown chakra, ultraviolet, which again it is not used in this simple method, and then again white. Why do we have white? Oh well, because sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I want to just balance my system regardless of what color is not intact, then I can put the pendulum over my hand chakra and say balance my whole system, and through white light it will be done. I don't want to do it now because I want to show you another aspects of that process. So if you want to know about your chakras, or you want to pay attention to each of them, you will hold your pendulum in your dominant hand. As usual, the rest of the string is hidden in your palm, and it will become obvious to you in a moment. And you will hold pendulum over your non-dominant hand. Now, why? Well, can't we balance the chakras from here? We can pass some energy to our energy system by holding pendulum here, but if really you would like to pass the energy to your body or someone else's body, you have to have an entrance point through which the energy will really travel from the pendulum to the body and then spread itself throughout the body or get to specific part of your body, like an organ or a chakra. The point which chakra is located is in the center of your palm. When you will create a fist and you will put something between those 2 fingers and mark this spot, that is exactly the place when hand chakra is located. So create a tight fist, put it in between 2 fingers, which means 2 from this side and 2 from this side, in the middle, and here you are. This is from Chinese healing system point of view. It is called pericardium 8, which means it is 8 acupuncture point on pericardium channel. This in Chinese, this point is called Longgong point, which means hard working point. Hardworking because it passes the energy from your body and also accepts the energy to your body. That's why when we have a problem, we do this. when child has fell and starts to cry, mom says, come here, mom will help you, and she puts her hand on the wounded place. Anyway, hands are healing. We all know about it, but not everyone knows that it's this exact point which makes it happen. So when you do it, hold it not on infrared, so not the first red spot, but the second one, over your hand chakra, and simply say, balance my first chakra. And you wait until it will stop. If it moves to the right, we don't have time to go into details now. On the course I explained that, but if it turns to the right, which means clockwise, it simply means that this chakra is not balanced and it needs energy. Now, if it will move in opposite direction, then it would mean that there is either chakra is undercharged, which means overcharged, which means you have to pull out some energy from it, or there is some other energies or energy forms which block this chakra, and they have to be removed from your chakra. Now pendulum stopped. So if I want to make sure, I can repeat, balance my first chakra. Back and forth movement means I'm checking weight, and then it stands still, which means it's done. Then we can go to the next point, which is second chakra, sacral chakra or sexual chakra, and you can say balance my second chakra. Why do we have to say balance my second chakra instead of not saying anything? As I claim, it will also work. It's because in your whole energetic system and your physical body, there is many actually parts of your body which operates on this same frequency. Not exactly the same to the nanometer, but very, very similar in the same subband of energy. And that's why if you don't want this pendulum to scan whole your body, to check everything what operates on orange, you just say balance my second chakra. And you know that because you said so, it will go only to this chakra. Now we will go to third chakra, solar plexus, and then I will say balance my solar plexus. And as you can see, by working today, part of the day, and talking to you all the time, my chakras are slightly undercharged, so they are getting charged now. Yellow has been balanced, then green, which means heart chakra, and we go balance my heart chakra. Heart didn't need much, and then balance my throat chakra. And then balance my third eye chakra. This one actually is balanced. And then we go to violet. So balance my crown chakra. Balanced. And that's all. If I want to, I can go to white and say, well, through the frequency of white, check my whole chakra system, and if there is any leftover of energy which any chakra needs, please balance them through white light. And it is done. As you can see, it's very simple problem. Process is absolutely available to learn by everyone. And everyone, trust me, everyone can do it. That's why all those vibrations are preset for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, as we talked about it, then it also explains to us why do we have the string collected in the palm of the hand. You see, if any energy will go through your hand and try to kind of escape, it can't, because from this string it will go back to the hand chakra of my right hand, so, or left if you are left-handed, basically your dominant hand. So when I hold this, the pendulum this way, any pendulum in any dowsing work, when the string is tapped into your hand, you are not losing any energy, and everything goes directly to the pendulum, plus the energy which is created by the pendulum, and goes through your entrance point to your body to balance your chakras, and through them your whole system. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope to see you again on our channel. If you liked it, like us. If you would like to stay with us, so subscribe to our channel. Visit also our website, which is intuitivedowsing.com, on which you can read more about individual pendulums and about process we use when we dowse. For now on, thank you very much, and see you next time. Goodbye.